Have you been feeling depressed or frustrated lately? Hi, it's Larry Pollock from Pinnacle Real Estate, the neighborhood realtor that normally you would see walking around our neighborhood. But lately, for obvious reasons, I haven't been able to make it around as much as I would like to. Been trying to, maintain a little social distancing, and I was staying inside a lot more than I normally do. But I noticed, last weekend I was really kind of feeling very depressed, a little frustrated. I talked to several of my friends, and funny enough, they were actually saying the same thing. And when I thought about it, being outdoors is actually much healthier for all of us. I know right now, none of us can be outdoors as much as we would like to, but try getting outdoors if you can. There's several health benefits for us as humans being outdoors. You're going to get more blood flow. You're going to get more oxygen. You're going to naturally drink more water. But the thing is that, we all feel, oh, we got to be inside. It's okay. Grab your laptop. It works just as well outdoors as it does indoors. It's a laptop. Take your laptop outdoors. Work outside in your backyard. Work out in your backyard. If you want to go for a walk around the block, try and maintain some social distancing when it's appropriate. But all of us need to get back outdoors. We've been cooped up so long that a lot of us are going a little stir crazy, but getting depressed. Stop watching the news. Most of it's just depressing. Side note. But try and get outdoors. Do what you can, when you can, outdoors. Like I was saying earlier, there's several health benefits to it. If you can work out outdoors, you're going to get more vitamin D. If you can go for a walk, even like I said, use your laptop in your backyard. This way you're going to get more oxygen to your body. You're going to drink more water naturally. As human beings, it's better for us to get more oxygen and more water, really. But also, the funny thing is, when we're outdoors, we get natural vitamin D. Our body just absorbs it from the sunlight. Also, our minds work better when we're outdoors. Proven fact. I hope you find this helpful, and I hope you guys are doing well. Take care.